Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through exactly how to turn off app icon badges for media processing notifications on the X app. If you've ever noticed those little red dots sitting on your app icons, reminding you of notifications you don't actually care about, you're not alone. For many people, they can be distracting, and thankfully, there's a simple way to disable them, specifically for media processing alerts inside the X app. Let's get started, step by step. First, open up your phone and head straight into your settings. This is where you'll find all the options to control how your apps behave. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a full list of every application installed on your device. Find and select the X app from that list, since that's the one we're adjusting today. Once you're inside the X app settings, go ahead and tap on Notifications. This section allows you to fine-tune which types of alerts you want to keep and which ones you'd rather turn off. Now, look for the option labeled Notification Categories. This is where the different kinds of notifications generated by the app are grouped. Each category can be customized individually, so you're not forced into an all-or-nothing choice. Within those categories, locate and tap on Media Processing. This is the specific type of notification that triggers app icon badges whenever the app is processing media. Finally, you'll see a switch for app icon badges. Simply toggle this off. From this point onward, the little badge indicator linked to media processing notifications will no longer appear on your home screen icon. That's it. Quick, easy, and effective. By adjusting just these few settings, you can keep your workspace cleaner, reduce distractions, and only get alerted about the things that really matter to you inside the app. If you find badges useful for other parts of the app, don't worry. You can leave those on while disabling only the ones tied to media processing. It's all about taking back control and tailoring the app experience to fit your needs. Thanks for following along.